Hi everyone, welcome to your PD and this is Shubha. So all the ones who are preparing for the post of DFO, that is Deputy Field Officer in Cabinet Secretariat, you need to prepare for your interviews very wisely. And whenever I talk about interview, that is about a real personality test. For this, you have to groom yourself very properly. You all are intelligent and that is why you're shortlisted. But the real test begins is how to portray your personality in front of someone. And what are the generic questions that you need to prepare very wisely for this. Now, the detailed documentation has already been discussed by Dr. Vijendra. You can just see his video and check out all the important pointers whichever you are to prepare before you go for your final interview. Now, even I will showcase the detailed documentation, and this documentation carries all the essentials like what is the, you can say, generic information related to cabinet and the portfolios, the ministry department, everything is being provided in it. One thing to remember, at the end I'm going to discuss some of the most important HR questions, and that too in multiple dimensions, the domains in which the questions could be asked to you. HR part, technological part, personality part, situational based, and many other domains. So stay tuned till the end of the video because those are the questions which are the limelight of this video. Other than this thing, you can download the documentation from the panel which carries all the extensive details. Like yes, everything is explained to you in the terms of like the cabinet ministry, and yes, you have to just take a look, brainstorm yourself related to the functions, the roles and responsibilities which you are going to prepare, and step by step just go through this documentation. This documentation carries all the essential pointers, like if you are appointed in the post of as a DFO, you get appointed. What are the roles and responsibilities you are going to perform? So basically you should be aware what cabinet secretariat, what actually happens in the organization, and what your department, or you can say the functionalities, would be in what domains, and what is the hierarchical structure. So basically they are checking it out. Are you very passionate and have you done good research work before you came for today's interview? Then is all these things have been explained to you with the important, you can say the pointers, whichever are very important for you. I'm just making you have a glimpse of it, and also the documentation on the panel. You can just download it out from the download section, and this would be providing you with the complete guidelines, the expertise, the pointers, the details which you need to understand before you go for this interview. So that's an extensive document. You see everything is being given in it. Just refer the previous video of Dr. Vijendra and you will get the explanation of all these things. I am not explaining it out because already it's been done by one of our colleague. Yeah, now let's start with the most important thing which I was telling you out as generic HR questions which we are going to discuss in this video, right? So I'll be starting with the HR questions. So yeah, first it is what inspired you to apply for this post in the position of cabinet secretariat. So what inspired your strength and weaknesses? Like I tell you very first, whenever you are telling about yourself, be it related to some of the pointers of your introduction, how precisely you are telling about it. What inspired you to come to this organization only? Are you targeting other organizations also? So what are the best choice of words that you need to tell? This is something is being checked. What is your strength and weaknesses that aligns with the post of DPO for you? Like what strengths you carry, so that I would say that yeah, you're a suitable candidate to be a DPO officer. That is your person who needs to have all these qualities. Do you have leadership skills? Because yes, you are going to be a field officer. So do you have the leadership qualities? And if you say yes, can you tell me some of the justification of the previous with the previous examples where you have handled a team, you perform the leadership skills and you groom them really well? Then is any of the failure you have felt, any failure, any challenging situations, any regret you have in your life related to ethical decision making in professional life? Can you describe when you had to maintain confidentiality at the work? आप कैसे contribute करते करोगे to the goals of cabinet secretariat? What success means to you? And where do you see yourself in next 5 years? I would say how the mission and vision of yours align with the mission of vision of cabinet secretariat. So all these things are just basic HR questions, like about your strength, weakness, hobbies, about your city, about your personality. All these things you should be aware of. Basically, you should be practicing well before you go for this interview. Second part carries the technical questions that is related to intelligence and security. That is, can you tell me the importance of intelligence in maintaining national security, or what methods are you going to use and you are going to validate the intelligence data? How do you assess the credibility of sources in intelligence gathering? What is the role of surveying in intelligence? आप कुछ एग्जाम्पल से प्रोवाइड कर दीजिए. कुछ ग्लोबल डेवलपमेंट्स जो हुई हैं इन इंटेलिजेंस टेक्नोलॉजी उसके बारे में बताइए. Then is the challenges in gathering about human intelligence. How would you design a system to manage and prioritize incoming intelligence reports? Counter intelligence कैसे contribute कर रहा है nations के intelligence network पे? Now these were some from second dimension. Third, it is about situational and problem solving questions. When it is a situational, when I am putting you in some of the situation, I'm just giving you any kind of an idea and you have to portray, okay, the kind of a case study. If this thing happens, what would be your take? Like suppose some of your subordinates start fighting. What is going to be your take? Is there any kind of a political disturbance? Like suppose you're tasked with gathering intelligence in political volatile region. आप कैसे approach करेंगे? How would you respond if you discovered that the teammate was leaking your information? There was the information that was very sensitive. It was not meant to be leaked and someone is leaking it out. What would be your take in that? So that actually tests your rational thinking approach, your streamlining your pointers. It would be what steps would you take if you suspect a source in providing false information? आप conflicting priorities operation में है कैसे resolve करेंगे? Conflicts हो रहे हैं, आप किसी भी security को breach ना हो operation में, आप वो risk को कैसे खत्म करेंगे या mitigate करेंगे? आप कैसे इंश्योर करेंगे एक अच्छी कम्युनिकेशन एक लोकल एनवायरनमेंट में एक लोकल ग्रुप में कैसे एक अच्छी कम्युनिकेशन हम डेवलप कर पाए? आप टीम्स की सेफ्टी के बारे में हाई रिस्क इंटेलिजेंस ऑपरेशन में कैसे इंश्योर करेंगे? इफ यू डिस्कवर दैट द गैदर्ड इंटेलिजेंस कुड कॉम्प्रोमाइज नेशनल ट्रस्ट, व्हाट एक्शंस यू आर गोइंग टू टेक? How would you handle a situation where you find contradict between, you can say, the narratives for higher authorities? Then it is about your behavioral questions, some aspects. जैसे अगर आपको वर्क करना पड़ रहा है कोई चैलेंजिंग एनवायरनमेंट में, आप कैसे अपने आप को अडेप्ट करेंगे? आपको एक्सपीरियंस बता दीजिए जहां पे आपने क्विक थिंकिंग की हो किसी क्रिटिकल इशू के लिए. हाउ वुड यू हैंडल द एग्जांपल एनी अनएक्सपेक्टेड सिचुएशन? Describe a time when you had to decide with incomplete information. मतलब basically what they are going to check you out is your behavioral attitude. When something goes wrong, you are going to panic in that situation. You are going to stay calm. Are you going to think logically? Suppose you have got just half information. What is going to be your take? What will be your final outcome in that case? Or it is describe a situation where you have faced ethical dramas and how would you resolve it out? Share an experience where you led a group under difficult circumstances. So basically leading to the conflict scenarios, to the leadership skills, to amount of projects you have handled, explanation of it, how would you be handling it out? Everything is very, very important. And then comes your analytical and logical questions. A coded message has this pattern. What code that could be? Analyze the situation. A truck leaves the base at 7 a.m. at 40 km per hour. Another truck leaves at 8 a.m. at 60 km per hour. When will the second truck catch up? Now it is related to if you are decoding a message with substitution cipher. What steps would you take to choose or to find that pattern? आप एक सोर्स क्लेम कर रहे हैं, 3 कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी पीसेस हैं किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशन के. हाउ विल आइडेंटिफाई द मोस्ट रिलायबल वन, कि कौन सा पीस है जो सबसे ज्यादा रिलायबल है? इफ Saran and Strawn's बैटरी लास्ट फॉर 3 hours एंड द मिशन रिक्वायर्स 6 hours ऑफ डाटा, तो वो अनकवरेज डाटा को आप कैसे इंश्योर करेंगे कि वो जो भी हमारे पास डाटा की इन अनइंटरप्टेड कवरेज है, हाउ वुड यू एबल टू प्लान फॉर दैट? स्टैटिस्टिकल टूल बता दीजिए जो आप डिटर्मिन करेंगे एनोमलीज इन फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शंस के लिए. So all are these logical based questions. How would you arrange 4 events in chronicle orders if the time stamps is all stamped, it is all corrupted? Then it is related to some of the current affairs and geopolitical awareness. क्या मेजर रोल्स आते हैं, जियोपॉलिटिकल चैलेंजेस क्या आते हैं इंडिया के नेशनल सिक्योरिटी पे? रोल बता दीजिए इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस लाइक यूएन इन मैनेजिंग ग्लोबल सिक्योरिटी. यू सी दैट एवरी अदर डायमेंशन हैज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टर्मिनोलॉजीज एंड क्वेश्चंस. आप कैसे रिसेंट इवेंट्स मिडिल ईस्ट अफेक्ट कर रहा है इंडिया की स्ट्रैटेजिक इंटरेस्ट को? आप कैसे मेजर करेंगे इंडिया टू टेक एंड काउंटर साइबर सिक्योरिटी थ्रेट्स फ्रॉम फॉरेन एनिमिटीज? क्लाइमेट चेंज का नेशनल सिक्योरिटी के ऊपर, अभी बहुत हम क्लाइमेट चेंज के न्यूज़ पढ़ते हैं, उसका नेशनल सिक्योरिटी पे कैसे इम्पैक्ट आ रहा है? व्हाट रिसेंट डिफेंस एग्रीमेंट्स हैज इंडिया साइंड, आप कैसे इम्पैक्ट करेंगे इसको, स्ट्रैटेजिक कैसे बनाएंगे? नाउ रोल स्पेसिफिक, आपको पता है एज अ डीपी अगर आप सिलेक्ट हो जाते हो डीएफओ की पोस्ट पे, तो आप क्या इंटेलिजेंस में ऑपरेशंस आपको क्या काम करना पड़ेगा, कैसे आप इंश्योर करोगे एक्यूरेट रिपोर्टिंग हो, अच्छे से रिपोर्ट हो, आप मैनेज कैसे करेंगे, मैनेजमेंट एक्टिविटीज कैसे करोगे, आप कंडक्ट कैसे करोगे फील्ड के रिकॉग्निशंस विद ड्रॉइंग अटेंशन, आप कैसे ये चीजें करोगे, एक्सप्लेन कीजिए हैंडल लैंग्वेज कल्चरल बैरियर्स ड्यूरिंग फील्ड असाइनमेंट्स, टेक्निक्स क्या यूज करेंगे आप ट्रस्ट विद द सोर्स को एस्टैब्लिश करने के लिए, स्ट्रैटेजीज क्या है कंडक्ट करना है अगर सर्विलेंस को हाई रिस्क एरियाज पे, क्या स्टेप्स लेंगे टू ब्रीफ अ फील्ड ऑपरेशन इफेक्टिवली, एंड देन कम्स सम मिसलेनियस जो आपको पता होने चाहिए, जैसे रिलेटेड टू प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया कौन है, स्पीकर कौन है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर कौन है, कैबिनेट मिनिस्ट्री के रिलेटेड आपको बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चंस पता होने चाहिए। द रीजन आई से इट इज रिलेटेड टू अबाउट द पार्लियामेंट्री बिल्डिंग, आधार कार्ड के बेनिफिट्स क्या है, आपके बारे में क्या यूनिक है, क्या कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विच अदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैज टीएफओ पोस्ट, व्हाट इज कैबिनेट, कैबिनेट सेक्रेटरीट सिचुएटेड कहाँ है इंडिया में, पहला कैबिनेट सेक्रेटरी कौन था, प्रेजेंट कौन सा है, ई समक्ष पोर्टल के बारे में बताइए, कुछ नेम्स बताइए कैबिनेट मिनिस्ट्री के आपकी स्टेट से, मतलब दिस चेक्स योर ओवरऑल जेनरिक नॉलेज, जेनरिक अवेयरनेस विच यू हैव। सो बेस्ड ऑन एंटायर ऑल दीज थिंग्स, this thing comes actually with the knowledge plus practice. And even suppose you are not aware about something in your interview, how would you say no to the person? That is actually a real test of you. So for this you have to prepare yourself very extensively, and that is possible by practicing the HR snap sessions. आप technical snaps लगाइए और ultimately mock sessions पे जाइए जहाँ पे HR technical इकट्ठा पैनल बैठ के आपको mock के लिए practice करवाता है to get the real life feel of an interview. So practice hard, and this is what is going to make you perfect to fit you in any organization. Give your best, guys. This is your golden chance for you, but this is going to come with practice, extensive knowledge, and do download the documentation. It is very very important, the kind of elaboration extensive document जो prepare किया गया है, plus the questions जो domain wise आपको frame किए गए हैं वो आपके लिए बहुत important है. Just visit the panel now and start preparing for the, you can say, best to achieve in your life. All the best, take care and have a good day. In case of any queries, just drop up in the comment section. Take care, guys.